Okay, so installation. So we start with the place charging dock. So as you can see, we need half meter from the left side, half meter from the right side, and half meter from the front. So I think that when we have electricity here, so we can use somewhere here place. As from the bottom side you have here the stick, so we can take this, and also the same when we take the dock station. Here you can see, and here is the place for the connection, and from the bottom we can check the label. So we can now take out and just here it doesn't okay, and immediate strong touch in, okay, like this. And now check the place. It is for reason of this is water, like this. Okay, so we have here electricity. This is right position. So now we can again take this clean and now just take over 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and nice like this, and again strong. Okay, super. We prepare the station for the cleaner. Now we can continue with the cable. So we can take cable, come here. So we have here cable. It's not long, just half meter. So I hope that is enough what I need. Never mind where do you choose, just insert inside. Yeah. Like this. I take the cable from this sides like this, and I'm ready here. So this we have, and now we can continue with the cleaner. So using the robot we have it here, and now as you can see just power on and charge. So we need now to charge the robot. The color of the power indicator indicates the battery level. So white means it's better than 20%, is more than 20%. So cleaner is ready for using, and it is the red colored means that it's below than 20% and you need to charge the cleaner or robot. So now we can open the robot from the foil. Okay. Like this. You can check. Okay, and we can try to. So what we have to do with him is just power on and charge. So press and hold the button to turn on the robot. When the power indicator lights up, place the robot onto the charging dock to begin charging. The robot uses a high-performance lithium-ion. So you can try it. But before we can check if we need something more. But I think no. So let's go to turn on and we will see what happens. So just keep more. Okay, you can see nice lights and playing song. And if he is white, it means that we don't need charge him, so we are ready for using. So we can start. He can start working. So we can try open him. What is here? Maybe I can open this. I can see here blue sensor.
Starting to clean.
It's starting to clean one, yeah. Okay. Let's take all the things.